Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Easy Exterior Car Door Handle Replacement, a DIY guide. Replacing an exterior car door handle might seem like a daunting task, but it's a practical skill that can save you a lot of money. Car door handles are essential for daily convenience and safety, yet they can wear out or break over time. Whether it's due to frequent use, natural wear and tear, or an unfortunate accident, the need for a replacement is common. Knowing how to replace your car's exterior door handle can help you avoid costly trips to the mechanic. Plus, it can be a satisfying DIY project that enhances your car repair skills. In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge needed to tackle this job with confidence. Understanding exterior car door handles. Car door handles are more than just a stylish accessory on your vehicle. They play a crucial role in providing access, security, and overall aesthetic appeal. Let's delve into the functions, types, and materials used in the construction of exterior car door handles. Functions of car door handles. Car door handles serve as the main entry point to your vehicle, allowing you to open and close the doors conveniently. Besides providing access, they are essential for ensuring the security of your car, as they incorporate locking mechanisms to safeguard your vehicle from theft. Additionally, car door handles contribute significantly to the design and look of the vehicle, adding a touch of style and personality. Types of car door handles. Pull-up handles. These traditional handles require you to lift them upward to open the door. They are commonly found on older vehicle models and offer a classic look. Pull-out handles. Modern cars often feature pull-out handles that require you to pull them outward to access the vehicle. These handles provide a sleek and streamlined appearance. Inset handles. Inset handles are integrated into the door frame, creating a flush and seamless look. They require a push-in motion to open the door, adding to the vehicle's modern and sophisticated design. Each type of handle offers a unique operation method and visual appeal, catering to different preferences and styles. Materials used in car door handles. Car door handles are constructed using various materials, each offering distinct advantages in terms of durability and aesthetics. Plastic. Often utilized in budget-friendly vehicles, plastic handles are lightweight and resistant to corrosion. However, they may be less durable compared to metal alternatives. Metal. Metal door handles are known for their sturdiness and longevity. They provide a solid grip and are commonly found in mid-range to high-end vehicles. Chrome. Chrome handles add a touch of luxury and sophistication to a car's exterior. While visually appealing, they may require more maintenance to retain their shine. Understanding the functions, types, and materials used in exterior car door handles is essential for maintaining the safety and appearance of your vehicle. By choosing the right handle that aligns with your preferences and needs, you can enhance both the functionality and style of your car doors. Signs that a car door handle needs replacement. Car door handles play a crucial role in ensuring easy access to your vehicle. Recognizing the signs indicating a need for replacement can prevent potential safety risks and further damage. Here are some common indicators that it might be time to replace your car door handle. Loose car door handles. When your car door handle feels loose or wobbly, it can be more than just an inconvenience. A loose handle poses a safety hazard as it may not function properly during emergencies, such as trying to quickly exit the vehicle. Moreover, ignoring a loose handle can lead to more severe problems down the line, potentially resulting in complete handle failure. Difficulty in opening doors. Struggling to open your car doors, especially when it used to be a smooth process, is a clear sign of a faulty door handle. If you find yourself having to exert more force or repeatedly push or pull the handle to open the door, it's time to consider a replacement. Addressing this issue promptly is essential to avoid being unexpectedly locked out of your vehicle. Visible damage on handles. Visible cracks, wear, or breakage on your car door handles are undeniable signs that a replacement is necessary. Ignoring these physical indications can lead to the handle completely failing, leaving you unable to access your vehicle. By promptly addressing any visible damage on your door handles, you can maintain the security and functionality of your car doors. Recognizing these signs and taking action promptly can prevent potential safety risks and ensure the smooth operation of your car doors. Keep an eye out for these indicators to address any issues with your car door handles before they escalate. Steps to replace an exterior car door handle. Before diving into the process of replacing your car's exterior door handle, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools to ensure a smooth and successful replacement. Here's a list of tools you'll need. Gathering necessary tools. 1. Screwdrivers to remove screws securing the old handle and attach the new one. 2. Trim removal tools for carefully prying off any panels or covers without causing damage. 3. Replacement handle. Make sure it's compatible with your car model for a perfect fit. Precautions before replacement. Before starting the replacement process, take these precautions to ensure safety and efficiency. 1. Disconnect the car battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. 2. Work in a well-lit area with ample space to maneuver around the door comfortably. 3. Ensure the car is parked on a flat surface for stability during the replacement process. Replacing the car door handle. Now that you have your tools ready and safety measures in place, let's walk through the process of replacing your car's exterior door handle. Removing the old handle. 1. Use the appropriate screwdriver to carefully remove any screws holding the old handle in place. 2. Gently detach any panels or covers surrounding the handle using trim removal tools. 3. Once all attachments are disconnected, the old handle should come off easily. Installing the new handle. 1. Align the new handle with the existing holes in the door. 2. Secure the handle in place by tightening the screws with the screwdriver. 3. Ensure the handle is properly seated and aligned for smooth operation. Testing the functionality. 1. After installing the new handle, test its functionality by gently pulling and releasing the handle. 2. Check if the handle opens the door smoothly and securely. 3. Ensure that all components are functioning correctly before finalizing the replacement process. By following these steps and precautions, you can successfully replace your car's exterior door handle with ease. Remember to take your time, follow each step carefully, and test the handle thoroughly to ensure a job well done. Tips for maintaining car door handles. Taking care of your car door handles is essential to ensure they function smoothly and look great for years to come. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can extend the lifespan of your car door handles and prevent unnecessary wear and tear. Regular cleaning. Regular cleaning of your car door handles may seem like a small task, but it can make a big difference in preserving their condition. Dirt, grime, and salt buildup from driving can not only detract from the appearance of your handles but also lead to corrosion over time. A gentle wipe down with a mild car detergent and water can help prevent these issues and keep your door handles looking like new. Lubrication of door mechanisms. One often overlooked aspect of car door handle maintenance is the lubrication of door mechanisms. Applying a silicone-based lubricant to the moving parts of your door handles can help maintain their smooth operation. This not only prevents them from sticking or becoming difficult to open but also helps to protect against rust and corrosion. Remember to avoid using oil-based lubricants as they can attract dirt and debris, which may cause more harm than good. Gentle use of handles. It's easy to get into the habit of yanking or pulling on your car door handles, especially when in a hurry. However, this can put unnecessary strain on the handles and lead to premature wear and potential damage. To prolong the life of your door handles, practice gentle use by opening and closing them with care. Avoid slamming the doors shut or putting excessive pressure on the handles, as this can cause them to loosen or break over time. By incorporating these simple maintenance tips into your car care routine, you can ensure that your door handles stay in top condition and continue to operate flawlessly. Remember, a little regular upkeep goes a long way in preserving the integrity and longevity of your vehicle's essential components. Functional door handles are vital for your car's security and convenience. A broken handle can be more than just an annoyance, it can compromise your car's safety. Don't wait for an emergency. Regular checks and timely replacements will keep your vehicle in top shape. Prioritize your car's maintenance, and you'll enjoy a smoother and safer ride. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.